Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Harbour View. We are on the Sir Florizel Glasgow Highway heading towards Harbour View. Now, Harbour View is a small neighborhood. Basically it's the last neighborhood you'd come to before you get to the airport. So if you're driving from Kingston to the Norman Land International Airport, you would have to come to the Harbour View roundabout and then go on to Palisadoes, and then you go to the airport. So we're going to take a look at the Harbour View area. It has probably the most expensive gas station in Jamaica. We're going to check the price of the gas today. But it also has a plaza, and ironically it has two gas stations side by side. I'm not sure how that occurred, but one is to me, I've never seen gas that high. So we're going to take a look at it now. And this is a very large community, Harbour View. Hundreds of homes. Now, back in the day, they had a drive-in in Harbour View called the Harbour View Drive-In, and it was very popular. So persons would drive all this way just to go to the drive-in. On the left is some new apartments being built. Okay, so this gas station on the left now I've found to be the most expensive, and we use low sulfur diesel, so there you go, $286 for a litre of low sulfur. Unbelievable. I've never seen that price anywhere in Jamaica. And then see, down here is another gas station. They don't sell low sulfur, the ultra low sulfur, but they sell regular diesel for $2.44. So if we turn left, we'd go into the neighborhood section of Harbour View. This left takes us on to St. Thomas, and this left here would take us on to Palisadoes and take us to the Norman Land Airport. This left here takes us onto the Sir Florizel Glasgow Boulevard. So we're going to continue our tour of Harbour View, and we're going to go drive through the plaza and the residential neighborhood. So that $286 for ultra low sulfur diesel is the most expensive I have ever seen. If anybody has seen a price higher than that for ultra low sulfur, let me know. Please leave a comment in the section below. Okay, on the left is the Harbour View Plaza, and we're just going to take a quick drive through the neighborhood so you can see what the houses look like, and then we drive through the plaza. So this is a residential area now. Okay, on the left is a stadium where the Harbour View Football Club plays. now driving through the Harbour View Plaza. On the left is the Shoppers Fair supermarket. Now on the other side of the plaza, behind these stores, which is still part of the plaza, but you just can't see it because of these. Okay, we'll drive over there. But there is a KFC, a Juicy Patties, and a Pizza. A KFC, a Pizza Hut, and a Tasty Patties store. So this plaza does well because it has the three main things you need for a successful plaza. Build it in an area that has a lot of people. Put in a major supermarket, a large supermarket, and put in food stores. And you don't get any better than KFC and Tasty. There is a pharmacy over here as well. So on the left you see the Tasty sign, and coming up on the right you're going to see the KFC. And there's the Pizza Hut on the left. And this plaza is being renovated. It's getting a more modern look. Although I don't know who's responsible for the road here, but it's terrible. The road in the plaza, it's probably considered a private road, so the plaza would have to fix it. But okay, here you can see they recently, let's just do this, put in this new entrance. I haven't started to use it yet, but it was put in recently. As we said, they are renovating the plaza. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.